In 2005, we put together a preventive maintenance program. It's led by a master foreman and a crew chief, and then 25 technicians that kind of specialize in what they do. 3/4 of the equipment that they service are HVAC type equipment, your rooftop units, air handlers, cooling towers. Our official job is to just make sure that the kids have a good working environment for their academic program, and that the buildings are safe and comfortable and clean.
In preventative maintenance, if you've got it on your building, we take care of it. We do a biannual maintenance, and that seems to be spot on to keeping these things running as well as they can. We're going to check motors, specifically bearings, pulleys, belts for the indoor blower motor. We're going to check for any shaft play or fan blade cracks.
We do maintain over 30,000 pieces of equipment throughout the district, so it's a huge, huge job. You have to be a cohesive group in order to make all that happen in a timely, fashion, and these guys are remarkable at it.